Guys, welcome back to Smart Trader, and today once again we are going to do a live trade, and today's date is August 2nd, so I thought I'll record a video for you guys for today. It's been so many days recording a video for you guys. So I just took a position in PEL August future. I've just taken one single lot considering the market is negative for the day, and the market has already gone negative. So considering the market won't go further, I just took a buy side for now. If market goes against me, then it will be a problem for me, or if market stand there and recovers, and that is when my stock will go towards my direction. And I have just taken one lot, that is 302 shares is minimum one lot for this particular stock value is 2924. So I just put half of my capital, and let's see if it can go. So around 25,000 has been used for this particular trade. If there is any other trade, then I will put the other 25,000. So I choose this particular stocks from in money control. It was not loading correctly, so I choose these stocks from NSE India, and I went to futures and options. So I got these stocks from there. So if the stock, this is 29 rupees stock, so 10 rupees, if minimum 10 rupees goes, is 0.3%. so I took it at 2924. So if the highest goes to 2934, it is 0.3% of the stock. So going to the 1 hour, just going to break. If it breaks, good enough for us. Oh yeah, so it needs to break its own high, that is 2934. Okay, so what's on info? 3009 is the highest 52-week high for this stock. Will it hit the 52-week high? I'm not sure about that. If it hits, that's a big thing for me now, but I don't think so. If it has to go so much, then the stock has to go around 6 to 7% overall. Now it's in 4% movement, right? So other 169 rupees, if I 69 rupees, then it has to go at least 2.2%, something like that. So 6.5% movement. It can break its own 52-week high. Yes, it is possible. It's not that it's not possible. It is possible, but just look at the market. It is in negative. So will it get the support is the question. So if market is going towards the zero direction, I mean, if it is reducing 50, 40, then the stock will definitely get the strength to go up. And anyways, let's see. It's gonna break its own high, 2934, 2938. No, much over. So 0.3% has been crossed. 39, breaking its own high. 2945 is the highest. So 4.86%. 2951, 2954, right? And currently 54 is the highest for the stock. Just checking out the stock for the exit part. There's a small push right now. So it has now other. So now it has around 50. How much? 59 rupees. Correct. 59 rupees to hit 52-week high. Correct. If you see, 3009. So if you say 2950, we have 59 rupees now to reach over there. Correct. So anyways, when the stock goes up or if I'm exiting, I will re-record the video. If you see, it's once again come towards 2950 and 52. It was dancing too much over here. If it breaks 54, I will try to wait, or else I'll try to exit right here right now. So yes, it's going to 5559. Okay, so 57.95, 56.95. I'm just seeing towards the buyer side. If you see, you need strength in the buyer side. Anyways, I'm exiting. I'm enough with the profit. So 9,000 is the profit for me. And yeah, so I took the stock at 2924 and I sold it at 2955. So it's how much? 34, 44, 54, so almost 5 rupees, 30 rupees profit. So 30 rupees of 2,955 is nothing but 1% of the stock. So if we see, we only took one lot of stock, that is 302 stocks, and later, even though market was red, I took the chance of half my capital, and if you see, the stock has gone up to 2963 also. So but anyways, we are not concerned about that. We are just concerned about the profit. If my account is in green, even 1 rupee after brokerage, if my account is green, that is what I want for the day. So anyways, hope you guys like this video. Once again, small advice: futures has a lot of risk, and I choose this stock based on the top gainers. And among the top gainer doesn't mean I just go and pick the top gainer. Among the top gainers, I just see which stock is gonna race right now, which stock is going to give the right movement. So based on those movements and few logical thinking, that is when I enter into particular stock. If you see, these were the stocks I looked into. So this and this, but first this stock started moving. That's the reason I entered into this stock. So that's how I got the movement of the stock, and I booked profits. Now the price is 2953. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll be doing more of videos due to a lot of work in office. I'm not able to record a lot of videos for you guys, but very soon I will be giving a good news for all you guys. So keep supporting, hit that like and subscribe button, and also share this video to all your friends. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.